on. Kimani, talk to your friend. Kimani, talk to your friend. Kimani, talk to your friend.
People, wanna see it there? See it there? The greatest of all times. The best school in Jamaica.
So yeah people, so we just done. We drive through town and we reach Kingston now, and you know we stop a few places. We never really vlog that. But right now Tamika bring we go get robbed in our mountain top in our back of one place. Be a patrol upon the road.
We got Skyline Drive.
Okay, so she say. So she
Red
say.
Hills, no, Red Hills. Skyline, look.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
So, oh yeah, that. So man, we here and it's amazing, guys. Look at this backdrop.
It is.
Look at this backdrop. Wow. Can I get a wow?
Wow.
It's beautiful.
So they're all over the place. Right now with the view.
It's amazing. It's beautiful. Jamaican Army. Oh, okay, I'm with them. Okay.
Sorry.
I don't know if I have video. They know. This is pretty, man.
I am one talking in a video.
Yeah, go on.
Hey guys, so they did not trust me
No, we
to
didn't.
take the journey up here and look at the view.
This is pretty. Hey guys, this is spectacular. I mean, I don't know what else you guys want, man. We give you everything. A view like this, come on, priceless. And this not even too popular in Jamaica. Not even. They say in nighttime it's much more beautiful. But yeah, this is it, man. Pretty good.
Talk about the Mona Dam and
Yeah, so I'm gonna try going on. It's my possibility, as I just now learn it. So right over there, that big body of water is called the Mona Dam. That supply most of Kingston with their water. And then way over there in the distance, where that? Yeah, that's the wharf where the boats come in, offload, shipping supplies and all that.
oh, it's the Lime Key.
Coming down,
Over this, yeah.
coming down,
It was bigger than what it is.
and down here to get more detail. I don't really know the full details of it, but this is that town right there. I know that's Papine.
See there.
Oh, that look a tiny thing over there.
Which bar? Oh.
That's a Port Royal.
Yeah, so over there, sir.
Over there, sir.
Over there, sir. A Port Royal.
I say it look bigger than what it is because I couldn't do so.
Nine key.
Look a land.
I'm a walk out like key and it never been.
Alright. Don't write that's what you say. There's Jamaica College right there. Just wanna highlight that for you guys. Yeah, right there, so right. So them building right there, so. Yeah. Yeah, man. Right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, man. So you know, if you have a nice binoculars right here, you could have seen way more. But the view is beautiful, man. View is spectacular. Sun coming up. Yeah, it's about time for us to leave. You know. Big up the JDF force. Yeah.
Respect, yeah.
Respect, bossy. Cool, cool. Check out our vlog.
So now we're head back, you know, down to see if Airbnb ready. So we take back the country road. Tamika drive come up, Maria drive go down. My heart still a drop out of my head. Or out of my mouth or wherever you want to drop out from. Yeah man, it feel a way. Them road are not nice. You see them here? Oh yeah. Where I go down now. Where I go down now. Yes.
Which part is?
Pick it, no Mario?
You can't come, I can't pick it. You can't reach it.
Can't pick it. One says, so one stick all right.
One stick, yeah.
Get him.
Oh, you want to get him? Mario, what are you doing? Try pick a cocoa. Well, it you know. Yeah.
Make,
What is
yeah, cocoa. You break it and you make chocolate.
You can eat the
You can eat the
just
seed.
like
The
that.
seed,
You wanna break it and show
the
them?
seed is what?
Yeah, because I'm going to eat
break
this
the
right
seed,
now. I'm
no
going to
break.
eat one right now.
I don't know if it's ripe though. Oh, you know it's
You're
ripe.
right.
Your
No,
one
no,
meat
take
are
it
looking
right.
there.
What?
We can do another video.
We'll break it, we'll break it.
Break it.
Wi-Fi.
Far?
They can't get it, can't
So
to
look
get
at see them. But we get one. So
We get one, that one is good enough.
Hey, come, move.
Whee!
That's a good one.
Bricks one, bricks.
That was a good one, right?
Yeah, that was a good one. But I said, Daddy, when you go to Jamaica, you need to show me what's that.
She's always obsessed
Yeah,
with the
Tristan.
You're
Tristan.
happy to show her, right?
Yeah, no, I have it, but I
She
can't,
always
we
want
can't
to
bring
be
back to
there.
America.
Yeah, she always want to be there. Cause when we go into the country, she always said, Daddy,
Yeah.
where's chocolate? You promised me you're gonna show
show
me
me chocolate,
chocolate. Yeah, cause Maria is tell her about
But
the
we
chocolate.
haven't seen any, but now
Yeah.
I found one.
And she not here. But
She not
Tristan, there is chocolate. When we come back to Jamaica, we're definitely gonna make you pick one, my love.
Chocolate. Alright, guys.
We're not perfect. We get back vacation, but right now we prank everybody.
Yeah.
But we not prank our friend them yet, alright? So right now we have to prank them. So we are doing a fighting for prank,
Yeah, the classic argument. Should I start something? And then, well, I'll put them in a spot if they try and break or something.
Be afraid and then something, but
Yeah.
watch it.
Let's go. Hopefully.
One, leg off from me. Leg off from me.
Listen.
Leg off from me. Leg off from me. Leg off from me.
Stop the man.
Leg off from me. 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 Leg off. Leg off from me, Mario. Leg off from me. What the hell is this? Leg off from me. Leg off from me. Leg off from me, man. Kimali, talk to your friend. Kimali, talk to your friend. Kimali. Kimali, talk to your friend. Kimali, make him let me go. Kimali, make him let me go. Kimali, make him let me go. Let me. Go! Come on for me, Mario. Let go for me, man. Let go for me, Mario.
Pardon my promise.
They find out about it.
You know why? You know what? Try to be serious. Oh, yeah.
Well, if we don't get you, we don't why. We don't plan to see a big about.
Yeah, guess what? They put the camera right here.
Hey, but tell him don't put the camera right there, so. But tell him don't put the camera. But tell him don't put the camera right there, so. And he say you're not gonna know. Say camera.
Yeah, well, people, Kimali get a half a prank. We'll catch him next time. Alright, so now we're in the closing stage of the trip. Chatterstar. I don't want to leave. But anyway, we still have a night out left on the town. So may I say, I'm here, my favorite peeps.
Yep.
I'm saying we're about to doing it. Doing it. Yeah.
Doing it.
One more night. Put up the one them. One more night. Alright, so the plan for tonight is we're go look something to eat, KFC. And go there.
You know, you have to Jamaica KFC before you even leave.
Yeah, man. Yeah, it's a must.
1 or 2 times, it's a must.
It's a given. Anybody out there that's coming to Jamaica KFC is like no other KFC in the world. Okay? It's just different.
Yeah, after some tasty spot here.
And some tasty spotty too. We're not in a party yet though.
But tomorrow I get some party.
Yeah.
Some hot party and cocoa bread.
And then we are heading to a place called Devon House. We're going to eat the world famous ice cream, Devon House ice cream.
Yeah.
Dragon Stout. People, I recommend it. It's to die for. It's just like Guinness, but it's very sweeter. Okay. So it's yeah, hope you're enjoying the background entertainment. So it's just like Guinness, but a little bit sweeter. You know what I'm saying? But it's to die for. It's really good. So you gotta go and check that out. And yeah. Look at mommy in our drip nightwear tonight. I'm saying she doing it. Yeah, man. So yeah, we're there at the Airbnb in Kingston. We reach at Kingston because we're a flyer from Kingston. So after that, so KFC, Devon House. We'll find a little lounge, little some throne and kick back and thing, and then after a while we just cut out. Alright? So yeah, so we link now.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
I'm on to the downtown, you see. Think I want close. All the other seasoning to bring up down at town.
Now we're in the line and we're wait to get our bags checked. Tomorrow is 10 o'clock. So now we're to our
Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
Going back. Thanks for watching the Darby Family Vlog. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.